Episode of Blueprint Academia. This is to introduce you to a new feature that we've built in with the NIH Biosketch creator. So when we think about the NIH Biosketch, this is what we're looking at. So if you're applying for an NIH grant, this is one of the essential documents that the researchers need to fill out. This is just a blank form that is available on the NIH website. And as you can see, there are a number of elements that you need to actually add in and populate in order to to complete your submission along with your grants. So what we've done within Blueprint is to make that job much easier. So we are able to import a number of your applications and training details already into the. So you go to the left-hand menu, look under Portfolio, and you're going to come to your academic CV. When you come to your academic CV, under Publications and Presentations, you're going to see these export buttons out here. You're going to have an export PDF, you're going to have an export document, and you're going to have the NIH Biosketch button. And that's what we want to pay attention to. It's a drop-down menu. When you click on it, it's going to say Create or Addend a Biosketch. You're going to hit Create. When you hit Create, it's going to bring you to a different screen that's going to look like this. And it's going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements of the Biosketch out here for you to select. The first one is graduate education. It's going to give you the information that you already entered in your CV, and it allows you to choose whichever elements you want to add into the Biosketch. So let's say I'm going to choose all these. I'm going to go to the next step. Similarly, with appointments and leadership, the things that I want to include in the Biosketch, I'm going to choose here. With publications, obviously, you're going to have a number of publications, and you can choose the ones that are relevant for your grant submission. I'm going to just pick 3 or 4 just for the sake of simplicity. Once we've chosen them, then we go to the next button. If you have prior grants, you can choose that as well, as part of your the Biosketch document. And once you do that, you can go ahead and click the awards and recognition if that is applicable to you. And once you do all these, all you need to do is to export the document. When you export the document, it's going to look like this. So as you can see, it's already filled in your name, it's already filled in your title, it's filled in all your educational information, including your degrees, your completion dates, your field of study. It also has filled in your positions for the section C, your honors, and your contributions to science, which includes your publications, etc., are already formatted and filled in out here as well. So as you can see, a number of the elements of the NIH Biosketch are pre-filled for you right from your CV itself. And this is a tremendous helper in terms of helping you minimize the amount of effort that you have to spend on creating these documents. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you on the next episode.